Hello. In this video, we will look at ActiveImage Protector feature, which allows us to recover a compromised source machine into public clouds, AWS and/or Microsoft Azure. The feature works with physical and virtual source machines. At first, while the source machine is still healthy, we need to create at least one backup of this machine. The backup process can be pointed directly to a corresponding public cloud. The feature works with only one full backup or with a chain of increments based on the initial full. So technically you can use it not only for a disaster recovery, but also for a planned migration of healthy physical or virtual machine to the public cloud. In this video, we are creating two backup tasks. One is pointed to Amazon S3, and this one is sending backups to Azure Blob Storage. If, for any reasons, you decided not to store backups in the public clouds, then, while facing the disaster, you can transfer the latest chain of backups to Amazon S3 or Azure Blob Storage. Such transfers can be done via built-in web-based facilities or with help of external tools. For example, S3 browser for Amazon, Azure Storage Explorer, and many others. In either case, you need to have at least one storage account in a public cloud of your choice. At the end of the above moves, you should be able to see your backups sitting in a corresponding container in cloud storage. One more step before we perform the recovery, we need to create a target virtual machine in the public cloud. The target VM needs to be published by the cloud provider, Microsoft or Amazon, and it needs to match the boot scheme of the source machine, either UEFI or MBR. Do not try to match a disk size of the created cloud VM with the source. The recovery process will form its own disk and will attach it to the VM, removing or detaching any existing disks. You can decide what you do with them. The destination cloud VM needs to be stopped for recovery to work. For this video, we have also created similar virtual machine in our EC2 Amazon account. Now we can initiate the recovery itself. This is done from within the ActiveImage Protector interface of not compromised machine, of course. We only need to find two things in public cloud to start the recovery: a suitable backup of the source machine and a destination VM to which the recovery will attach the new disk converted from the backup. We will also start another recovery task in Amazon Cloud. The destination VM becomes available as soon as the recovery finishes. We'll check now our Amazon virtual machine. In this video, you have seen all steps involved in a process of starting a compromised physical or virtual machine from its backups in the public cloud, Amazon or Azure.